Okay, so ladies and gents, fight day number 2. Actually, yesterday I didn't feel like continuing it at some point, so and as well I did broke this one somehow. Anyway, I just trying to reset the settings, so that's gonna be fresh one, and I think I'm gonna use that for searching after information. Yeah, I set up one tiny one so I can listen to something. And yeps, in worst case scenario I still got tablet and the Sony speakers so I can listen. And yeah, let's dig this thingy out from there and see what it has inside. Anyway, I didn't clean it for some time. I don't remember when last time I did clean it up, so will be good to clean it up as well. And yeah, let's try with those graphic cards, and yeah, maybe some more. So see you then. Okay, ladies and gents, I think that's not gonna be good. Ooh, look at that. Ow. Look at that. And that's actually the thingy what I think is broken, so that's the reason why I get to clean up my PC. Anyway, display port, VGA, adapter, switch, whatever. But yeah, those dust doesn't look so good. Oh man, yeah, that really needs to be cleaned up. I'm a little bit scared what happened when I take the screw out. Oh, there's only one. Sweet. I'm scared that something may come out of that. Oh well, not too bad, but still. What do we see in here? Yeah, CPU not too bad. Memories, yeah, graphic cards I'm gonna change it. There's two SSD drive, one hard drive, second hard drive, third hard drive, fourth hard drive, and the power supply. What power supply I got in here? Do I got double 6-pin connector? Oh, I got one. Positive. Do I got any more? Few molecs. Some more molexes. Yay! I got two 6-pins. PCI Express. Yeps. Sweet. So I can try at least those graphic cards. And yeah, who knows what do we got? Asus with 6 port for memory. And yeah, okie dokie, so let's clean it up a little bit. Let's get rid of the dust and try to testing those graphic cards. So see you then. Okie dokie, so this thing is slightly cleaner, and I did find actually one more SATA power connection, and I still got like at least two SATA ports for hard drive. So I got 500s in here. Maybe I will add it, but this will play later on, or even maybe I'm gonna switch this one SSD with what will have a totally new system on it, And yeah, we'll switch it with the system disk in here, or just add it as an extra. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Anyway, for now, let's play with the graphic card. So, NVIDIA Quadro. I don't know why I did put those graphic card in here. Probably I didn't have any other at that point. But yeah, let's try. Let's see what's happened. Let's put this hard drive aside. Let's look what's that gonna do. One tiny screwy and one little clip, and the NVIDIA coming off. Thank you for your service. Yeah, let's put it aside and try to fit. I'm not sure if I can switch NVIDIA with ATI. Okay, I gotta undo this plug. Ooh, will it fit? No, I gotta take out one more shield from here. Yeah, let's just put it somewhere else for now. Just like so. What's that? Some power cables. That's gonna need a little bit of space. Let's move the wire around. Yep, almost. Yep, it's on the place. Actually, I'm not sure if that's gonna work because I got 8 pins and 6 pins. In here, I got 6 pins only. So let's try. Try and see. Is it sitting? Yes, it is. Okay, now I need to connect some monitor to it. Let's use this one. Why not? Okay, let me set up some wires and I will be right back. Okay, got power plug, got VGA from this monitor through the adapter, and it's going to the DVI port. And let's hit the power button. If I can find it, was somewhere there. Where are you? Power button. No, there it is. And is anything gonna happen? Yep, fan spinning, though screen not reacting. That's maybe this graphic card is broken, maybe. Or this adapter, because it's not sitting so well. I got one. Yeah, this is VG HDMI. Nope, I don't need that. Nope. Okie dokie. So in this case, let's try another one. So let's shut it down. And mount another graphic card and see what's happened. Let's try with the Gigabyte. slightly smaller. Oh. Why don't you want to go in? Oh, I'm pulling some wires out. Stay there. Move yourself just right there. Oh, I peel out one fan from somewhere. No, there it was. One more try. Yips, now we're in. So, 2 6-pins. Oh, what's that? Oh, I didn't connect the ATX power. Good one. Stupid of me, but yeah, let's try. Maybe that's why it did not boot, or was no power on the screen, but let's test out another one. So, power button. Will be good if I connect the monitor. Yep, fans are spinning on the graphic card, though no reaction at the screen. I wonder. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, it does restart. I said shut down. There we go. That was the older one, but yeah, let's see, let's try, why not? This one is NVIDIA. Yes, we are in. So 6-pin, and that's supposed to be 8-pin, but let's see what's happened. Put the screen on. Let's hit the power. Oh, those thingy shining with red color. As well, see some red light inside. Screen still no reacting. Let's try to put it in that way and hit the power button. Nope, still red light, screen not reacting. Shut down. Let's try to switch them over. Let's see what that's gonna do. Nope, red one. And no reaction at the screen. Let's switch the port. Nope. So that means if I got 8 pin, I got to have 8 pin connector. So looks like I'm running out of the graphic cards. Only that was like 3 good one. This one have 500 megs memory. This one got 2 gigs. This one got 3 gigs. And this one got, I guess, 1 gigs. I gotta look for some solution for that. Anyway, I come back when I find out something. So, see you for now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I did put card number X inside the PC and still got no signal input. So I was thinking there's something more that can be wrong, and now I feel stupid because I'm actually pretty sure then either monitor or something with the wire between monitor and PC. So let's see. Crap. See that? Really? Okay. So in this case, it looks like I does all those testing for nothing, because all these cards got to get tested again because of that wire supposed to be out. Supposed to be somewhere here. Let's screw it on. Ooh, spiders. Okay, now it's not gonna slip out. Do we see something on the screen? Not really. Yeah, let's try to restart it. I forget I got the buttons in there. Boom. Yeah, now I can say this card is not working. Dang, so much time I spent to testing all that. Anyway, so let's start all over and see what those bring. So see you then. And probably those thingy are still cool, still good. So anyway, as far I went so far, I'm gonna replace my graphic card at least. So I'm gonna play further, and as far I find out graphic cards what will work, then I come back and show you what I put inside. So see you for now. Okay, so ladies and gents, plugging cable into the monitor, that helped a lot with testing graphic cards. First card what I put in, and that the results. So definitely this one is defected. Could be a graphic chip, who knows, maybe that will be able to repair. Anyway, I got still plenty to check, but yeah, at least I got some reaction at the screen. So we're moving forward. Yep, see you later on. Okay, so boom, ladies and gents, the juice comes into this one. So I'm gonna use what's that? Litec Nvidia, I guess. Yeah, GeForce GTX 260. It's not a huge upgrade comparing to those what is this? Nvidia Quattro. Actually I found one more, though with the difference I got 2 VGA and 1 HDMI. Anyway, so that's gonna be my new graphic card. What else I did? I did replace the paste at the PC, as you can see. I all white, and that's basically it if we count the cleaning into the service. So yep, I did clean up everything, put the new paste under CPU. I was actually trying to change the CPU for something bigger or newer, but with this slot I got only few Xeons what will fit to it, and they basically the same thing like I have now, what is i7 920. So yep, graphic going in, everything go back together, and I hope I can start my PC again so I can catch up. And yeah, so see you later on as I start it again. So bye for now. Okie dokie, ladies and gents, this PC begin to boot up. Actually system loading on. In here right now I got Snobby at his live. Yep, let's see what's come out of that. I hope everything is well out there. This one here look like it's recovered for the basic settings. This graphic cards looks like I even write it down on it. Need to resoldering the main chip. Who knows, I may try, why not. And yips, this one almost died. Oh, it disappeared. I tried to check out two graphic cards, which one is better, and come out some commercial. Oh yay, no, I thought they disappeared, but nope, the new one come on. But at least I see the X tiny sign in here. Let's shut it down. Yay! Anyway, never mind. This can end up in the shelf again. Just gonna have it in case I need it for something. This one, yep. Let's continue. Will you continue with the Danish? Yes, let's go with the Danish. Go on. Okay, this one's still recovering. What's that? Okay, yes. Anyway, boom. Look like my PC boot up. So let's try to load it as well. I did replace the mouse because this one was cool, though something with this roll it's not right. Anyway, let's continue on and let's try to start up the second screen, cause find out the which one system was on. Boom. let's see what's come out. Oh, 8. Oh dang, it's almost 9 p.m. I forget to eat something. I'm supposed to make myself a soup with red beets tonight, but yeah, let's try to see what the system will show when it's loaded. I think I still gotta need to switch to the SSD because there was something wrong with this hard drive, I guess. Let's start task manager. Oh yeah, looks like all my files and datas are in it. Though I need to find out some drivers for the new graphic cards. And yeah, what was that? I think I write it down somewhere. Anyway, you see, it doesn't work so fast. Anyway, look like this mouse is also not too perfect, but yeah, come on, load on. Okay, my system drive is running on 100%. That's not a good sign, and as well my mouse doesn't work, so this one as well, it's rubbish. Okay, so that's gonna take a while before this thing needs to start up. But yeah, what's that? I have a secure browser. Go away. Let's see. Okay, that's gonna take a while. Okay, loading some stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna come back as far those thingy start up to working as it's supposed to be. Oh, maybe now. No, still 100% of HD of hard drive C, so that's not good. Anyway, oh, driver failed. What's that driver fail? What's that? Yeah, okay, let's give it out. Anyway, I gotta restart and find out what's going on in here and try to find out some drivers for the graphic card. And yeah, I'm gonna come back later on, so see you for now. Okie dokie, ladies and gents, so this thing you're running, it's got, what do we got here? 3.1 gigahertz i7 inside, 4770, and we got about how many? 16 gigs of RAM. Why it's showing me 13? No, there's 16. Okay, there's 16 gigs of RAM. We got only one hard drive, those tiny SSD with the system, though still it's look like running on 100% almost all the time, so I'm not sure if it's defected or something like that. Yeah, this thingy can get shut down and wait for next use, so this one is ready for now. That will be like tiny backup. And this thingy here, it's running as well. We got two screens, so that's all positive. We got extra 500 gigs hard drive, actually 440. What else? Job list. Yeah, hard drive come down a little bit after some time. And in here we got 2.7 2.67 i7 as well, CPU 920. With how much memory we got? We got 24 gigs in this one. And yips, I did upgrade a little bit the graphic card, so it's now working and so on. So I got two screens again, and I'm happy with that. So I can just shut down Snobby from the tablet and just jump in on the PC and enjoy a little bit of the chat. So I hope, ladies and gents, you enjoyed that short video about upgrading the PC, and few fails goes through that videos, but yeah, that's the way it is. Anyway, so hope you like that, hope you enjoy, and catch you all at the next one. Bye for now, peeps.